Hello everyone, Namaskar and good day. In this video, we will take a quick look at Devyani International's upcoming IPO, share some details about the company and provide our recommendation on whether to subscribe or not to this issue. So stay tuned. So let's talk about IPO details. The issue is for a total of rupees 1,838 crores, which comprises of fresh issue of rupees 440 crores, an offer for sale by the company's shareholder of rupees 1,398 crores, selling 15.5 crore by shareholder. The issue opens on 4th August 2021 and closes on 6th August 2021. The price band is rupees 86 to rupees 90 per share and the bid lot is 165 shares. Post the issue, the market cap of the company will be rupees 10,823 crores and the shares are likely to be listed on the exchanges on 16th August 2021. Objects of the issue. The company is coming out with the issue in order to repay or prepay some of its loans. Further, the balance amount will be utilized for general corporate purpose. In this section, we will provide a brief overview of the company. Devyani International Limited was incorporated on December 13, 1991. DIL is the largest franchisee of Yum brands in India and is among the largest chain operators of quick service restaurants (QSR) in India on a non-exclusive basis and operates 696 stores across 166 cities in India as of June 30, 2021. Yum Brands Incorporation operates brands such as KFC, Pizza Hut and Taco Bell and has presence globally with more than 50,000 restaurants in over 150 countries as of December 31, 2020. In addition, Devyani International is a franchisee for the Costa Coffee brand and stores in India. Company's business is broadly classified into three verticals that include stores of KFC, Pizza Hut and Costa Coffee operated in India. Stores operated outside India primarily comprising KFC and Pizza Hut stores operated in Nepal and Nigeria, international business, and other operations in the food and beverage industry including stores of their own brands such as Wango and Food Street, other business. DIL operated 284 KFC stores and 317 Pizza Hut stores and 44 Costa Coffee stores in India as of June 30, 2021. In their core brands business, they had an extensive presence in 26 states and 3 union territories in India as of June 30, 2021. Financials. Devyani International reported revenue CAGR of -7% over FY 19-21 and on the bottom line front, and the company has reported losses over same period. In FY 21, company has reported net sales rupees 1,135 crore and loss was rupees 63 crore. Brief peer comparison. As far as the peer comparison is concerned, the post-issue FY 2021 EV per sales works out to at the upper end of the price issue brand, which is low compared to peers. Further, Devyani International has a better operating margin as compared to Westlife Development and Burger King. We believe this valuation is at reasonable levels. Risk, slowdown in overall economy and increase in competition. Strong brand, large number of stores and favorable outlook for the industry. We recommend subscribe on the issue.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.